fish on.
You go right there where that dock is.
Oh, no.
Here, come underneath me over here.
Don't get him out of the water.
It's been about 10 minutes, guys. He's already on.
Oh, there you go. He feels a little heavier now. Yeah. Just don't freaking, just keep on freaking underneath the water, Todd. That's why. Little guy.
Oh, he's fuck, dude. If you keep it, that's a good fish. Ain't always gonna be.
Oh yeah, that's about 26.
And don't give him slack like that. Back up a little bit.
All right.
There you go.
All right, guys. We got Keone fishing today this morning. We got Todd. And we got Pete.
What's going on?
In the house, baby.
Let's do this.
First fish of the morning.
Josie Mac strikes
Josie
again.
Mac.
What's this little guy gonna do?
First, about 26 incher.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, Pete, just cut it. Yeah.
Let's go. It's a
All
bleeder.
right, there you go. Good job, Pete.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thanks, sir.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, guys. May 25th. We're out here at Josie's Max Sport Fishing. I got an invite by Captain Kenny to come out here and stick some pigs. I also got 3 of my subscribers on board. So we're out here having fun. Remember, Kenny is a good charter out here. He's been living out. This is about the 22nd time he comes out here and he's living it out for the boat. So it's kind of windy out here this morning, just like the weatherman said. Luckily, I didn't bring my boat out here. And thank you, Kenny, for inviting me. He reached out to me yesterday. He said, "Hey, bro, you coming out here?" I said, "Hell nah. I'm not going on my little boat, so I'm taking the day off." He said, "Well, you know what? Just come on board with me." I said, "All right, cool." So I happen to have 3 of my subscribers that actually called Kenny and got this boat for today. And actually, there was going to be 4 or 5 of them, but 2 of them kind of at the last minute changed their minds. So there's 3. We're having fun. The first 10 minutes we came out here, we stuck the 26 or 27 incher.
27 incher, yeah.
So,
Well, good morning, everybody, and we're gonna see what we can do today.
all right, guys, not a lot of boats out here, just the charters. I don't blame them. It's choppy this morning.
But that's freaking Sausalito.
Sausalito. Okay.
Beautiful.
Hit it hard. It should be a fish,
Go slow.
but it might not be.
Yeah, it's on there.
Debris, though.
It's on there. It's a baby one. Yeah.
He was like this.
You got some stuff down there.
Hey, he didn't even hit on.
See, he's dancing the Macarena.
He's barely.
All right, barely 22, so we're gonna go ahead and release him.
Yep. Little guy.
Good job, Pete. Kenny has a seakeeper on the boat. So what happens if, for whatever reason, you think you get sick out here,
But you see the difference?
he hits the button on this one, the seakeeper. It does not make this boat rock. It actually is just steady up on the surface. Beautiful.
Usually, for 40 years, I'm like this out here.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I love Central Bay. That's where I catch all my fish. And now you're like this. Now you can sound like this. See, you're doing it right now.
That is amazing.
Before, you're like this. They had it out.
So if you think you're gonna get sick out here, Not on Kenny's boat. You're going to be nice and steady on here. All right, Pete's on them fish right now. That would be a third one of the morning. Came off. No bueno.
Is it working? Yeah. See, all about just keeping them clean. The fish are here.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to earn them though.
Heat with the fish on.
Fish on. Get him, Pete. There we go. There we go.
Oh, that sucker just came off.
Hey, they
Good
all.
job, Pete.
Wrong, but he's the keeper. We're taking him.
Get him?
Alright, still nasty out here. Nothing but chargers.
Or technically, you could have hung on some of those lines. But you know, like faster.
Yeah, that's really good.
Fish on. That'll be our third one.
Let's go.
But we let one go, so
Don't pop.
could have been our fourth one. We started at 6, guys. It's 7:06, so it's been an hour. We already got 4, 3 in the box, and we released one. Well, actually, this was the keeper.
Yeah, nice. Keep him down. That's perfect. Get that beat in 1 second.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Nice one.
There you go.
There we go. Good job, buddy. All right, guys, so that's our third keeper. We had released one. We've been fishing for about an hour.
So we did an hour, huh?
Yep, 7:06.
Look at all this blood. Here, Jody, hold your fish real quick.
Head on the bottom. Very nice.
Hatch open. Thank you. Hey, hatch open.
Hatch open. All right, guys.
There we go.
Third one in the box. All right, guys, we're fishing the flats. Only 7 feet deep. They're still hanging out here. They've been here for about 3 weeks. Nothing but chargers this morning.
Dude, I could. Boy, I would. There we go. Raul's on.
Yeah, because you just changed that one, huh?
Oh, that's a runner. Oh, that's a good one, Raul. That's a good one.
And you're not going to catch them, man. You don't keep big ones.
All right, Raul's on.
Just drop that one up. Look, every one of them looks like this. And you ain't going to catch them like that.
Wait.
You know why? He probably got sideways.
He's way out there. Oh, he might be. Yep, he's sideways.
Sideways.
Now it's all right. Oh, you see him?
Yeah, he's.
25 inches.
Dang, he made a big run though.
Yeah.
He made a big run.
One time I caught one like that, but he was sideways.
All right, Raul's bringing him in. Oh, that's, yeah. Yeah. That's crazy how big he made a run. No, we don't need the gap. Okay, we got a releaser. There's one right there.
This is the biggest one of the day right here.
We're starting. Good job, good job. There we go, Raul's on. Come on, baby. Where you at? You still. Raul's on. On Josie Mac's boat. Come on, baby. Oh, that's a keeper. Oh, no, if it's not. It's just a baby one again.
All right, another shorty.
Another shorty. Yep. It's gonna come. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, Raul.
Another shorty.
Another shorty. Let's go. What is that? Number 4? That's a good one, right? Oh, that's the one. All right, Raul's on again. That's the one. That looks good. That one looks good. That one looks like a keeper. There we go.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Yep, that's a keeper. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's go, Raul. That's a good one.
Man, this doesn't usually get a lot of play on us.
That's a nice one.
I was pleasantly surprised.
Let's go.
In the top 200 countdown, which was voted on by the listeners of that channel.
Oh, there we go. You didn't want to do that one. Don't let him jump out of the boat. Oh, shit. Oh, there you go. Good job, Raul. Good job.
Hell yeah.
Let's go. Sticking pigs. All right, Raul. Getting bled. There he goes.
All right.
Let's go. Let's go.
That's our 4th keeper.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. 8:30 in the morning. We got 4 keepers. Only reason I keep on reeling in because the first 2 were shakers, so we all have a keeper so far. We need 4 more. We need 4 more, guys.
Yep. It's gonna start cracking.
All right, guys. So Captain Kenny, he usually uses lures to fish halibut, so he's been doing good. Real choppy out here this morning. It's still choppy. Look how choppy it is. my charters this morning.
A Seakeeper, and it's a stabilizer. Josie Mac is equipped with Seakeeper. It's a stabilizer that works extremely well, especially on a windy day. You're out here, you can have 5-foot waves, and it's nice and stable. It's beautiful. It's unreal. A lot of guys, you know, it sucks to stand like this all day, dude. Look at you doing. Look at the waves. And look at the boat's pretty stable. Big difference.
All right, guys, 9:38. The bite stopped. We've been fishing for about 35 minutes, no bites. So far, we got 4 keepers, but it should start picking up in about 25 minutes. So we're just waiting for that time. And keep in mind that Josie Max sport fishing boat, he has a stabilizer installed in this boat. I mean, no matter how rough it's out here, no matter how windy, I mean, that stabilizer system that he has installed in here just makes it feel like if you're actually at the marina, calm day. So it's kind of amazing.
There you go, right there. You're on, right there.
Just had him hit.
Let's get our keeper and put him in the box.
There you go.
Right there. Don't put too much pressure on him. We gotta get him in. It's all fired up. We're just all this.
No head shake. That's what we want.
He's in the mouth.
Want me to know this one is?
Yeah, you might as well.
You said they'd start biting again.
Yeah, all we have to do is just deal with keeping it clean. Keep it clean and catch the fish.
Okay, come across.
Okay, hold it. Hit that. Not fire, he's too low.
There we go. Nice one.
Don't let it hook my leg.
Yep.
Nice one.
Yep, that's how you do it. Just hold this up.
There you go. Where's that?
Good job, bro. Look at that.
Hell yeah, that's a nice one.
Good job. All right, guys, that's our 5th one. Like I said, the bite's gonna start right now.
2 insides. Whoa!
Oh, he's on. All right, that's another one.
Another one over here. Get this one out.
That's a baby.
That's all right. They're on a bite, though. I guarantee you there's 3 more fish out here.
There you go. Good job.
All right, guys, 10:45. It's still nasty out here. A lot of wind. It just never got better. How's your day going, Pete? How's your day going?
Good, man, good.
Nice to be out here, huh?
Hell yeah.
Josie Mac. Josie Mac, baby. A Mac attack.
Yeah, glad to meet you, Raul.
Yep.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
It's nice out here, no matter what.
Beautiful. Got 5 in the box.
Go Captain Kid.
3 more.
Come on, Shy
We
Guy.
ain't going in until we get them.
There you go. Good attitude.
Oh, we're getting them, I'll guarantee it.
Tony, congrats on your limits, buddy.
Thank you, thank you.
He kicked your guys' butt, man.
You got us.
Our butt.
Not yet, not yet. Let's save that best for last.
There you go. Just like a movie, huh?
That's it.
Side bed. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I saw.
Fish number 6, baby.
Come off, though. He came off, huh? Is he on there? Yeah, no. Oh, he needs 22 and a quarter.
Yeah, this one's like 12.
Oh, I think it's about 10.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a baby.
He's like 9. Look at that thing.
Oh my God! Get 2 pieces of bread, huh? Right now, 2 pieces of bread. You got none.
Hey, I got winner right. That little guy. That's a taco right there. Hey, that's 4 fillets right there.
Yeah.
Hey, what is it? Taco Tuesday.
Yep.
This music, no, keep talking. You just stop, man. The line's pushing in the water.
Yeah, that's like what this one was doing.
Well, we can keep putting together some months and make it the boat. We don't need it.
Oh, we need right now.
Is he gonna make it?
Yep. There you go.
Okay, go, come on, come on, fast.
Oh, that's a striper.
That's what you got.
That's what that other one was,
That's
a
what we
striper.
had.
Hey, there's your striper.
That fish gotta be good. He's long.
No, he's almost 19.
Yeah.
18.5.
Look how blue it is.
We got Pete
I think we got 5.
and a striper, huh?
1 striper. And wait on.
You got it, this hand.
What's that?
That's a heavy one.
All right, here.
What is the Pete?
I don't know.
Hey, is it pumping anymore? No,
No,
right?
no.
That's the hell of it if it ain't pumping.
Oh, the hell. Now watch this one rod right over here. Yeah.
Ah, it's gonna be a shorty. He's too small.
Oh, yeah.
Too small.
Inch.
Oh, yeah, he's short.
Yeah, he's too small. He's on my list.
Yeah. Did you?
No.
Oh. Okay.
Have a nice day. Pop right out. Now he mellowed out, huh? Now, as soon as he mellows out, then, because you usually got 5 to 8 seconds of just holding it. Just like this. But he's trying to get it out right there. He's trying to go.
Go, Todd. Let's go.
A little bit over here, too. Yeah, Mike, you're good right there. He's down, buddy. We can't see it on shape.
Ready?
He's probably a keeper. I was gonna put a hole in him. I say he should.
Well, this is the fun
Oh,
part.
we're down to 2.
Okay.
Do it. We ain't going in without 2 more. We're doing it again. We've been flirting with it.
Oh, yeah.
Like what?
What is it? Almost 23,
Almost
right?
23, yeah.
Yeah, I tell you what.
That's the keeper. That's our 6-1 of the day.
Bro,
All right, guys. 6.
let's go, let's go.
We got 2 more. All right, guys. 12:30. So far, we got 6 and 1 striper. Beautiful day out here. It's been choppy all morning, and it's not getting better. So.
Yeah, we need 2 more.
Here, all the way.
He's good. Here.
Oh yeah, that's a keeper right there.
Lift him up.
There he goes. That's the 7th one.
Okay, see, got a limit.
We need 1 more
Okay.
for a limit of 8. Good job, Kenny.
Right on, stick and how.
You're a bad dude, Kenny. You know that?
Here we go.
All right, Pete.
We're getting them.
Tell us our day, Pete. How many we
We
got?
got 7 keepers. 1 more.
And a
Raul
striper.
batters up.
And a
we got
striper.
1 striper. 1 more
Yep.
to go.
All right, guys, we got 7. We're looking for 1 more. And as you can see, everybody had a chance to reel in fish. So Pete got his 2. Partner got his 2, and his other partner got his 2. So right now, the next one that hits, it's my turn to reel it in, and we live it out. Easy.
Right on.
Thank you, Kenny.
You're welcome.
Bringing
One
us
more
out
pig
here,
and
man.
we're done.
You're a bad dude, Kenny. You know that?
Well, I'm glad you made it out with me today.
All right.
It's always fun to fish with you.
All right. Thank you. The action. All right, guys, we're done for the day. We ended up catching 7 halibut, 1 striper. We released a 22-inch halibut because we thought we were gonna get something bigger. That's what happened for getting greedy. We ended up with 7 halibut instead of us having 8. That's what happens. Todd, how was your day out here?
Awesome day on the water. Great fishing. Had a great time.
Cool. Keone?
Awesome day. It was a little rough, but we got it done.
That's good, and you got to remember Keone's the one that limited out first, so he did a good job. Pete?
Yeah, we had a good day. It was, you know, like everybody says, it was rough. It was kind of hard fishing, but we still got fish. Caught shakers. We released like 6 of them. So, and I got to meet you for the first time, so that was huge. And then, you know, fishing with old man over here, Kenny. You know, it's always a pleasure, man.
Kenny, we want to thank you for bringing us out here on your boat, sharing all the stuff that you have here, showing us how to catch halibut out there.
Right
You're
on. Hey,
badass.
nice having you guys. And of course, you, Pete, you're with me quite often. And it was a great day. We had some wind to deal with, muddy water, debris all over the place, but we still got it done.
Thank you, Kenny.
All right. It was nice seeing you again.
Hey,
Peter.
thank you.
Keone
Thank you.
Very nice.
and Todd, thank you guys. All right, guys, this is Kenny's boat, 6-pack. Look at this. Look how beautiful this thing is. I mean, we went out there and it was like 5-foot swells out there, and you can even feel the swells out there. It was so beautiful. That's the number, just in case you guys would like to call in. And like I said, all you have to do is, if you were interested, seen it on my video, It's All Good Fishing, and he's going to give you a discount. Look at the inside, and it's amazing. Look at these props. They're actually called Cheryl's props. I never seen something like this. Kenny told me I need to get that on my boat, and after he told me they're $6 grand each, I told him Cheryl's not gonna get my phone call, so I can afford 12 grand for 2 props. Look at that. So it's called Josie Mac Sport Fishing. Beautiful boat. It handles beautiful out on the water. And Kenny's a good captain. He'll put you on fish. Today's his 23rd trip. He's been living out with all his customers.